How to get unbanned from TikTok for being under 13. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can get your TikTok account unbanned if you were banned for being under 13. So first, open your TikTok application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and it's also updated to its latest version. After this, come back, open your Google Chrome, then simply search for Account Safety TikTok, tap on Account Safety. This will take you to the page where you need to click on the blue message that says something about contacting TikTok about the banned accounts. You will see the Contact Us option. Tap on that. Now you will be asked to report your problem. Enter your email address and your TikTok username, which is optional, and in the additional details section, explain your situation. For example, you can say that your account was banned for no reason and that you're over 13. And you can also upload a profile picture if you want, and you can check the two boxes below and select account ban or suspension from the options. After this, finally click on submit and your report will be sent to TikTok. And they should reply to you within 24 to 48 hours and hopefully remove the ban. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.